The total net profit is $531 and the total drawdown is $132. Recovery factor is 4. The graph is going up smoothly. There are no big drawdowns. In this video, I will present you the results of Euro USD by using the free and the most famously available on the MTL5 marketplace, Dark Venus. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Welcome back. Here you can see on the screen I have done backtesting and optimization of the Dark Venus CA on Euro USD. All files are saved. Here you can see the optimization file, the Euro USD best input settings and the results of best input settings. Now let's open the results of the Euro USD. Here you can see I have done it from 1st January 2024 to 1st January 2025. I use the base currency USD, initial deposit $500 with the leverage of 500. The total net profit is $531 with a deposit of $500 and the total drawdown is $132. If we see the recovery factor is 4, this means the total net profit is 4 times higher than its drawdown, and this is a very good recovery factor. Also, we can take a look on the profit factor is 8.32. Total number of trades are 559 with the profitability, the win ratio is 88.5%, and this is again a good figure. And here below you can see the consecutive wins 22, the losses are 3. Below here the graph is going up smoothly. There are no big drawdowns and the graph is improving up smoothly. And here below, if we take a look on the profit and losses by month, you can see from the January to December, the whole year, every month is closed in profit. Some months are with good profit while some are with a little profit, but the best thing is all months are in profit. The EA is available free of cost. Before using the Dark Venus EA, I will strongly recommend to do its backtesting and optimization by yourself, or you can get the best input settings from me. Text me here on Telegram and you can ask for the input settings. Don't forget to hit subscribe and press the bell icon. For now, that's it. Goodbye.